Well, hello guys, how is everyone doing? A little surprise here for you. Welcome to this very special week. Today we announce the special week, but tomorrow we start with one of my favorite weeks in the whole year, which is Halloween week. And we're gonna be doing a very nice little challenge for you guys. Now, this challenge is open for everyone, so if you guys want to participate in it, it's gonna be very, very cool. I'm gonna explain it in just a couple of seconds. And whatever you do in this challenge, you are gonna be able to submit next week for our portfolio review, for our student review. So, without further ado, let me show you what we're gonna be working on this week. So, this week, I'm happy to announce that we will be doing some speed sculpting challenges. We're gonna take 30 minutes each day, Monday through Friday, and I'm gonna be challenging myself in order to teach you as well a lot of techniques, tips, and tricks. We're gonna be sculpting one of the classic monsters from the movie industry, right? From film. We're gonna be selecting one of these guys at random every single day, and we're gonna be trying to sculpt the character. We're gonna try to sculpt the character in just 30 minutes. So it's gonna be 30 minutes of just brainstorming, quick design, quick sculpting, modeling, whatever we need to do to create a very nice, I wouldn't say portfolio ready, but presentation ready image, okay? So, let me lower the volume here a little bit. Hopefully that's still over there, the little music. And let me show you the dynamic that we're gonna be doing. For this dynamic, every single day, starting tomorrow, I'm gonna select one of these guys at random. And we're gonna be using our old trusty dice technique. So every single day, we're gonna be selecting one of these guys. I'm gonna throw a D8, so an 8-sided dice. And depending on which number we get, that's gonna be it. So I'm not gonna know which one I'm gonna be sculpting until I throw the dice. And I'm just gonna throw the dice, we'll see what we have, and we're gonna jump straight into ZBrush or Maya or whatever we need to do in order to create our little character right here, okay? So as you can see, we have 8 very famous characters. I'm just gonna go through them in case some of you are unaware of which ones they are. So over here, we just have like a zombie. Here we have like a swamp thing, or like this sort of like a merman or something. This is, I believe, Frankenstein's bride. So it's pretty much like Frankenstein, but the female version. A little bit prettier, not as ugly as Frank over here. Dracula, of course, the infamous Dracula. The Invisible Man, which is definitely going to be a challenge if we get him. A mummy, which is also the curse of the mummy, right? Frankenstein, of course. And finally, the werewolf, a very nice beast character, of course. So, this is the challenge, guys. We're gonna be sculpting this, guys. We're gonna be doing this as fast as possible. I don't mean to do this in, what's the word? To just like get it out of the way or anything. We're gonna be focusing and trying to get like a very nice polished piece. But the most important thing, and this is what I'm gonna be like teaching you throughout the week, is I wanna teach you how I would approach these characters and reimagine them for a modern setting, right? Because of course these are so classic that trying to improve upon this design will be very difficult. However, if we reimagine and think about how we can present them in a new, more interesting way, that's where the artistic spark comes into place. So as I mentioned, if you guys want to participate with me, make sure to tune in to every single day throughout this week, again Monday through Friday, and we're gonna be doing one of them. So if you see that I select, for instance, or that I get the mummy tomorrow, then you can sculpt the mummy as well, and we can share the results, see how we're doing. Try to do it in a time constraint as well. That's always good to practice a little bit of speed. And then what we're gonna do is on Friday we're gonna go through all of the ones that we created until then, and we're gonna pick the one that we like the most. And on the weekend we're gonna take that image and bring it all the way to a very nice portfolio render piece, okay? So, if you're as excited as I am for this week, then let us know in the comments. Let us know which monster would you like to see. Again, it's gonna be random, completely random. I swear to God, it's gonna be completely random. But let us know which one you might want to see, which one you think you could tackle and create something more interesting. And yeah, just make sure to share, subscribe, and welcome guys to this Halloween week. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.